Hello everyone, hi everyone. Welcome back to James Marketing Channel. Clip today. I will guide everyone to use the software. Help us comment automatically. On the Facebook platform, the software will use the sub-account Facebook bot to go mass commenting on the groups. This is the main interface of the software. It will help us manage without limits Facebook accounts. This is the interface of that new generation of version to software. You can see that I have almost 300 Facebook accounts. And we will go to the comment function and the comment section on post. Here we're going to set up some basic configurations. For example, choosing content. These are the content that we comment on post articles on those groups. This content we can enter first and use the software to rotate the content to have different kinds of content. Set up some basic parameters such as allow duplicate content, comment a random, and use existing content. Next, we'll choose groups to go comment. Here, I used MKTUID software to scan for potential groups. For example, groups like this. Here we have the UID of the group, group name, the link as well as the number of members. I'm going to copy these IDs. That's it. And then I'll stick to the part. Enter the group ID here and click Save It. You can also comment on this group, comment on personal page, or comment on other posts. It's even Reels too. Next, we'll choose to set up some basic configurations. For example, do not comment in the same group, and how many groups per account comment. After this is set up, I will eventually choose the accounts. Let's go text. I already now choose the account. Set up all the content and targets. Then I'll text. And people, let's see the results. After a while, I will stop. And then we can completely export, get the resulting links. This is the result I just posted. Then I will post this link to be able to check. There is also a link here. Have you seen the results? It has a comment section here of any other link. The software ran very smoothly, very fast, and output the result directly to us. Everyone needs a demo software, directly contact me via WhatsApp and Tele. Bye everyone.